Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on a $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. We're going to be doing this Cheems, which we know we got in, and those that are on my money bag alerts, we had some pullback. And to be honest with you, this pullback is expected. This is where we had that resistance. If you guys have been following the channel, make sure if you guys are new, you got that bell notification lit up. This will help you guys be able to identify things like this. The guys and girls that are on my money bag alerts, those who got my technical analysis course half off, have the opportunity to come check this out on their own and not have to wait for a video. So right now we got, we got support right here, right? This is actually where the price was. These are false breakouts right here. And eventually we did break out this one as well. And then this one was when we started making newer highs, or higher lows, I mean. So when we stopped right here and then we went up, and this is the beginning of that actual breakout. Because notice when we broke out as a false breakout, because when we pulled back, it was lower than before. And we tried it again. Well, the minute we pulled back, it was higher than this one. Boom, right here. Now it's higher than this one. Notice that the next one also changes, and now that one's higher than the next one, and so forth to continue. And that's when we had that run up. Those who felt like they missed out, those who got in late and felt like, you know, the price pulled back. Some people, obviously we can tell around here, this is people who are not familiar with trading. You know, I know we call them paper hands, but let's lead them to my channel and show them how it is, how normal it is for a token, a coin, whatever it might be, to move in this type of manner, okay? Right now what we got is this support right here, which if you guys follow the channel, you guys will find out a lot that wherever we were rejected before, we'll parlay and we'll go up and make some new all-time highs, but we always come and find support where that initial run-up started, okay? So we have that right here. We have that support right here. Right now what we're going to be trying to identify are these. This is the all-time high up here. On some it was 50, but right now we got about 48, so give or take, or 50, whatnot, depending on what chart you were using. Right now what we want to see is that when we pull back to this line right here, I don't want people that, you know, we got a lot of new investors, a lot of new people on the channel. Let's not name call them. Let's send them to my channel so they can learn a little bit and they can identify that we're making higher lows. The minute we start making higher lows, even it coming down to the 25s, this is an opportunity to load your bag. I loaded my bag again down here. I had some people calling me out on the comments. I wasn't worried because I'm holding long term, so it doesn't bother me when I see it pull back. And I just see a buying opportunity. That's what I did. I loaded up on that. Yeah, sometimes we can get lucky and we'll have a run up, you know, and it can take off and FOMO can kick in. I participated in a lot of those, and those are fun. But at the end of the day, if it's a long-term project that you know it's here to stay, then you guys have nothing to worry about. You know, you just dollar cost average buying on these dips. If we see a dip right here to the 25, that's normal. Do not get shooken out of your guys' positions and push the price down here, which is still normal at this price. I would definitely load my bag. If it ever came down here again, I would load up like crazy. This is not financial advice. Of course, you guys can do your own due diligence. I highly advise that you guys do. But right now we have the SAR, which are the crosses on top of the candle, so meaning we have some selling pressure as well. On down here on the MACD, you see that the candles are now on the red side. The blue line has crossed, so it is not abnormal to see us touch this line, considering the fact that we made support right here. When we go up and we pull back, if it's higher than before and we can push up again, then that is normal stock trading. So we're going to keep an eye on this one for the rest of the night. The trading volume is starting to pick up a lot. The wallet holders are also growing. You guys go check out the website. They also got where you can mint NFTs right now. So there's a lot of things going on. If you guys are tapped in with the team, have them reach out to me if there's some updates that you guys want me to get out on the channel, and to the rest of the community, have them reach out and we can get whatever we need to be said to everybody. So like that, everybody's on the same page. I had a lot of people hitting me up on my comments and stuff like that when we had this pullback. Even some people laughing. I was taking a lot of heat. I wasn't worried about it because it's normal. We've seen this pattern over and over. This one particularly right here, this ending part is a dead cat bounce. Go Google that. And you guys will see that it's this shape right here. This dead cat bounce actually happens quite often. So if we find support right here, we can continue rising up. We got resistance on the 33 level. Finding support right here is not we're on the hourly chart as well. We're looking at this one a little bit further down, and we're going to keep tabs on it on the hourly. Once it picks up a little bit more, if something happens a lot faster, we'll put it on the 15-minute chart and we'll keep an eye on it if it starts trading that fast right now. Matter of fact, we'll take a peek and we'll work our way down and see what's going on. This is how you also want to layer your trades. when you're positioning yourself, you can start all the way down at the 1, hit auto, right? And you can start to layer everything you got going on. So we got, we got some buying pressure. The line ripped over the orange one, not a solid candle yet, and the crosses have not flipped over. So nothing that impresses that algorithm for it to be substantial, for it to say that it's going to continue to go up. We go to the 5-minute, and as well, the crosses are on top. We do see the blue line starting to curl over to the orange, where it could create buying pressure once again. But the crosses were on top. Same as for the 10-minute, 15-minute. Notice right here how the crosses are starting to separate. That's why I like the 15-minute chart. It shows a lot. Notice when they're starting to separate, they'll usually flip over. That's how this candle's green right now. When they're really tight, they have momentum. Notice when they started separating right here, they lost momentum and the trend changed. But when they're really, really close, it pushed the price rapidly down. So right now what we see on the 15-minute chart is the crosses are starting to separate. Obviously we would want to layer them over the 1-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, and considering this token being new and the way it's moving, I would layer it all the way to the hour chart. And if you got all the indicators flipped over on the side that's saying, you know, we're in a bullish trend now, you guys know that I say the trend is your friend. You want to trade with that. So we're going to keep eye on this one. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Be sure to load it up with tons of comments. Let me know if you guys are interested in the money bag alerts. Get you the course, the NFT course half off, and also the technical analysis course half off. You guys don't want to miss out on that. But without no further ado, you guys know what's coming. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time. Later.